friends, it's me, Adav. I'm going to show you how to make an aeroplane. Let's start. You just make it like a drawing. You are drawing right here. You need like a front side. Then you need to fold it right over here. Then do it very tightly with your one finger. After that you open this and there will be a line, right? Then after that you need to start right here. Then after that you need to do it in the line. Same thing, you do it on this side. Then you need to go back of it and just do it right over here. Then this halfway you need to like fold it right over here and just do like this, and you fold it right under of this. Then like ting. Then you need to do like this. Fold it right here like a triangle stuff. Then you need to fold it right front of that. You already fold it right. You do it like this. Then you need to we did the line, right? So now let's do it right over here and just like timely you need to do like this. After that, when it's front, right, you just fold it right here and again fold it right over here. Thank you so much.